In this video, I'll show you how to disable hotel mode on your LG Smart TV. Maybe you're on a hotel and your TV is locked and many functions are not available. I'll show you how to turn this feature off. So the first step, you need to go on live TV, so antenna or HDMI 1, HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. If you're in a hotel, there's a good chance that the hotel locked the TV on the antenna settings. So maybe something is playing in the background. Once you're here, what you need to do is to take your remote control and keep press the settings button. Mine is over here, but maybe yours is located in the middle. And we need to point the remote to the TV and press this settings button during 10 seconds. Then a small menu then something will appear on the left side of the screen. And once this appears, you need to do very quickly 1105 and enter on the remote control. So let's do it together. I'm pressing the settings button right now, and I will only release it once I have something appear on the left of the screen. Okay, good. I release it. 1105, enter. If you do not do this quick enough, like I just did, it will not work. Okay, so let me start again. You need to be quick. So pressing the settings button. Okay, something appears. 1105. Enter, and now something is loading and the menu, the hotel menu, will load up. So if it does not work the first time, just try again quicker. Then over here you're gonna have multiple options. On the first one, go on this menu and this is turned on. If you want to cancel the hotel mode, you need to turn this off, and for most people this will be it. In this menu you can change other things, but to be honest, I don't think most hotels would have bothered changing anything. It's mostly just the first setting here. That is, once you turn it off, you're good to go. So thanks for watching. If you want to exit this menu, by the way, just press the back button on your remote control and this will disappear and you'll have full access to the LG TV in your hotel room. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.